Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to unbox the Google Pixel 2. Basically, I'm an Apple user, but I have been waiting a lot to unbox this. Finally, Google Pixel 2 is in my hands. Let's go and check it out. At the front side of the box, we have the Google logo as well as the Google Pixel 2 patching. And when I move it to left, we have some other details about the Google Assistant built in, and when I move it to right, I have right view of the Pixel 2, and at the bottom we have price tags and some barcodes, and it also mentioned about the memory as well as the color of the Pixel 2 inserted in this box. And plain at the top and moving to the other side, we have a hashtag with the Team Pixel and the Google logo as well. The box is very stout and very big as well. Now I'm going to open this box. Yeah, finally, yes. Yeah, this is our mobile. Has a very premium look. And the packing is very rich. Of course, it's Google. Yeah, then before setting up, we will see some accessories given in this box. Welcome to Pixel. Hi Pixel, I'm very much excited about this. This is the limited edition guide for this Pixel 2. This is the limited documentation for this Pixel 2, and it also tells me to be safe. Yeah, safe. This is the SIM exit pin which is given over here. Keeping this aside, here we have the data transfer connector for the Pixel 2. This is very cool. We have the charging cable, which is the C-type. This is the C-type charging cable, and this is the audio connector, which has the charging C port at the other side, and at the other side is of 3.5mm jack. Keeping this aside, here is the adapter for this charger, which enables the quick charging as well. Keeping this also aside. White and white accessories are very cool to see. Now I'm going to turn on the mobile by clicking on the power button. Here we can see the Google badging over there. Yeah, hello. By clicking on start, and after clicking on start, it's asking me to connect to a Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to connect to that. I'm opting setup as new. We have to add our Gmail account. By clicking on agree, and it's asking me to set up my fingerprint. By clicking on next, I'm setting up a pin. Like before setting our fingerprint lock, we have to set up a default lock that I am setting it as 1 2 3 4 so on. 1 2 3 7. Now I am setting the fingerprint sensor at the beneath. When we touch on the sensor, we will feel a vibration occurred over there. Likewise, we have to fill up the circle which is shown on the screen. Yeah, I'm done, and by clicking on next, we will move to another page. I'm skipping this. Some information is given, and now I'm clicking on agree. No thanks. Setup is finally done, and now we are on the home screen of Pixel 2. Your fingerprint scanner is very quick and very responsive. And when I drag it from top to bottom, we can see some minified settings over there. And when I drag it completely, we can see full length settings over there. And this white theme is very good, and iconic elementation and representation is also very fine and attractive. Now we are going to focus and open some more apps which are given default on the home screen. Home screen alignment is very good and attractive. Now we are checking on some apps. Call, yep, and the messages, okay, the Play Store, the Chrome, there is a strong opinion of the dynamic capability and the capturing skills of this camera. We will be making a beautiful review on this Pixel 2 camera soon. This Pixel device weighs 143 grams with a front glass aluminum body and partial glass back. And coming to the display, this is of OLED capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors, and size is of 5.0 inches. Coming to the resolution, 1080 into 1920 pixels with 441 ppi density, and it also been offered with Corning Gorilla Glass 5th generation. And coming to the platform, that is the operating system, it has been released with Android 8, and the chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. Coming to the CPU, octa-core 4x 2.35 GHz. Coming to the GPU, that is Adreno 540. Coming to the memory, there is no card slot allotted, and the internal memory is of two variants, that is 64 and 128 GB as well. And the RAM is of 4 GB, that is standard across the range. Coming to the camera, the primary camera is of 12.2 megapixels with dual LED flash. Coming to the video capturing, it captures 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 3060 as well as 120 frames per second and 720p at 240 frames per second. Coming to the secondary camera, that is of 8 megapixels, it supports 1080p. Coming to battery, that is a non-renewable 2700 mAh battery. Pixel mobiles give a good battery backup as stated by the Google. This C-type charging port allows the quick charge when it is charged for 15 minutes that can be used for 7 hours. Coming to the build quality and the performance, impressed me a lot. Of course, Google makes the premium mobiles at its own class. It has its own signature in making Pixel mobiles. Of course, Google makes a very good premium mobiles. No doubt about the game, it is a tough competitor for the Apple. At Indian market, Pixel 2 is at 50,000 rupees. I think it is the best price we get this premium mobile. In this premium mobile segment, only Google offers 2 years warranty as well as support. Only Google does that challenge. That is quite impressive. After some usage, I'll be making a deep review on this mobile. Please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.